In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in PayPal Personal Account. If you need to send a simple invoice through your PayPal Personal Account, this process is pretty quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to the main dashboard. From there, look for the Send and Request section and click on it. This area is where PayPal groups together different ways to send money, request payments, and access related tools. Once you're inside, navigate to the More tab. This is where PayPal keeps additional features that may not appear right away on the first screen. If this is your first time using invoices in a personal account, you should see an option for invoicing. Go ahead and click Get Started on the Invoice feature. This will open up the invoicing tool and prepare your account to create and send invoices. After that, look to the top right corner and click Create New. This starts a brand new invoice. At this stage, PayPal will open a form where you can fill in all the necessary information for your invoice. Now enter the invoice details carefully. Add the customer information, then fill in the items or services you're billing for. Make sure each item is clearly described so the customer understands exactly what they are paying for. You'll also want to enter the cost for each item, and if needed, you can include notes to provide extra context, such as delivery details, service dates, or payment instructions. Taking a moment to review everything here is important because clear and accurate invoices help avoid delays or misunderstandings. When everything looks correct, you'll have a few options. You can click Send if you're ready to deliver the invoice immediately. You can choose Share if you want to send it another way, depending on the options available in your account. Or if you're not ready yet, you can save it as a draft and come back to it later. That's useful if you still need to confirm pricing or adjust the details before sending it out. And that's it. Once you complete that final step, your invoice is created in PayPal. It's a straightforward process, and after doing it once, it becomes much easier the next time.